Acura's charging system warning indicates a critical problem with the system that keeps your battery charged and your car running. Understanding this warning can prevent you from being stranded with a dead battery. The warning light, usually appearing as a battery icon on your dashboard, signals that the battery isn't receiving the correct voltage. This warning requires immediate attention to prevent vehicle breakdown. The charging system warning can stem from several issues. A failing alternator is the most common cause, accounting for 40 to 50% of cases. This is followed by a degraded battery at 25 to 30% of cases. Wiring or connection problems account for 15 to 20% of issues, while voltage regulator malfunctions represent 5 to 10%. Drive belt problems, though less common, still account for about 5% of charging system warnings. The alternator is the heart of the charging system. It generates electrical power to charge the battery while the engine runs. When it fails, the battery cannot maintain its charge, triggering the warning light. The drive belt connects the engine to the alternator. A worn, cracked, or broken belt cannot properly drive the alternator, leading to charging system failure and the warning light activation. Modern Acura vehicles from 2020 to 2025 feature smart alternators and enhanced battery management systems. These provide more precise diagnostics through OBD2 protocols and real-time voltage monitoring, making it easier to identify specific charging system problems. Ignoring the charging system warning can lead to serious consequences. A dead battery will leave you stranded with a car that won't start. Additionally, continued operation with a failing charging system can damage other electrical components, leading to more expensive repairs. When your Acura's charging system warning appears, immediate action is crucial for your safety and to prevent further damage to your vehicle. First, safely park your vehicle and turn off all non-essential electrical loads like air conditioning, radio, and lights to reduce strain on the charging system. These immediate actions help preserve remaining battery power and prevent potential electrical system damage while you assess the situation. Begin troubleshooting by inspecting the battery terminals. Corroded or loose connections are common causes of charging system warnings and are easily fixable. Check that battery terminals are clean and tight. Use contact cleaner to remove corrosion and ensure connections are secure but not over-tightened. Clean terminals can often resolve charging warnings immediately. If the problem persists, proceed to voltage testing. Use a digital multimeter to test your battery and charging system voltage. This provides crucial diagnostic information about system health. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts at rest. When the engine is running, the alternator should produce 13.8 to 14.4 volts. Readings below these values indicate battery or alternator problems. Higher readings may suggest voltage regulator issues. For comprehensive diagnosis, qualified technicians use OBD2 scanners to read fault codes and perform specialized tests like parasitic draw testing. OBD2 scanners can identify specific fault codes related to charging system components, providing precise diagnostic information. Parasitic draw testing identifies electrical components that continue drawing power when the vehicle is off, which can drain the battery overnight. Common solutions include alternator replacement, battery replacement, wiring repairs, or software updates. Costs vary depending on the specific component and labor requirements. Some issues may require only software updates or minor wiring repairs, which are significantly less expensive than component replacement. Prevent future charging system issues through regular maintenance, using quality OEM parts, and keeping your vehicle's software updated. Following these prevention strategies can reduce charging system failure rates by up to 40% and extend component lifespan significantly.